Alright, hey guys, so the demo is not quite yet, but I just wanted to give you an update on how things are going so far because the demolition is tomorrow. So, let's see what we have. Some things dug up back here, as you can see. Back here, that is our gate. Some things are being dug up here. This is dug up, and the gate is gone. Right over here, as you can see. And those on the trailer there are the garage doors. So the garage doors are off, and everything in here is ready to be demolished tomorrow morning. So yeah, everything's loaded up there, and this is gone, which is really crazy. Alright, so just wanted to give a quick update on that, and I will see you early tomorrow morning for the demolition. Good morning. It's demo day. So this is, got some workers out here. The crane is back there. Some more vehicles out here. Looks like we're getting this going. OMG. Okay, the trailer pulled away. So that's everything off the trailer. Take it down, take it down. Oh my god, oh my god. No way, no way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, they in there. Hi. Ah, he's trying to get that good clip for me. I know it. Oh my god, dude! Oh my god. Ooh, crunch. Oh my god. Let me just see this in real life for a second. That is so close, dude. Oh my god. I'm a little scared looking at this in real life. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Why does it look like you just headbutted it? Oh my god. Dude. Uh-oh. Lily? Lily? Oh. I wonder if you can see up here better. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, the ground just shook. Oh my gosh, can you imagine being in that window up there? Oh my gosh. That'd be terrifying. Oh hey! Oh my god, that's so close to me right now. Oh my god. I could literally reach out and touch that. No kidding. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Lily, come here. Whoa. Lily, come here. Oh, here it comes. Oh. Oh my gosh. Lily, come here. Oh, there it goes. Wow. That poor tree. Oh my gosh, dude. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is so close in real life. Oh my gosh. Why is it reminding me of like a dinosaur from the Jurassic Park ride at Universal? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go get the view from my room. Hello, miss. Why are you barking? It's okay. Okay, let's get this view. Oh my gosh. Sunrise. Oh my god. I think the other view might have been better. My windows are awfully dusty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do I see this? She's just chilling. Okay. Bruh. Oh. 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 That's good. Oh my gosh, you can see my reflection. Dude, this is so cool. Are you taking that tree out, sir? Oh my god. Oh my god. That poor tree. No. Goodbye, friend. Oh god. Why him? And just like that. Where are you going with it? Oh, you gonna place him on top of the roof? Oh my gosh, dude, that's like right here. That's right here. Gosh, I can't even see it. It's the dang sun. Ooh, oh my gosh, I'm blind. Yeah. Why you gotta throw him around like that? Oh my god. Dude, it's demoed. Oh my god. We're back in the kitchen. Dude, remember the wall that used to be there? Oh my gosh. You can see all the way back there now. Wow. Dude, that's right there. Oh my god. So close to the house. Yeah. You're gonna take the ground out from beneath your feet. My goodness. There's a ball down there. Okay. The ground is shaking. There's a little frog. Did y'all see that? There's a little stuffed frog in there. He's getting crushed. You can see him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Poor little guy. Did we forget about you? Rip. Oh my god. No. Goodness. This is crazy, dude. Oh, look at that big piece. Wow. Oh, he's sick. Crush. That didn't work, sir. Alright, we're back. This truck up. Now they're loading all the rubble in. Let's get one more scoop. What do you think?
She's shaking.
Is that cool?
It's pretty scary. What are they doing? Hmm?
Well, that looks like it's cleared. Wow. What do you think? Oh my goodness. I can't even see with the sun. Everything's cleared and they're doing the cement. Is that focused? I can't see a thing. There we go. Oh my goodness. Alright. Almost all the cement, the driveway, almost all of it is torn up. Still working though. Our sidewalk. Our sidewalk. I'm just chilling. Oh my gosh. I don't know what they are doing. Let me see this. The sidewalk is gone. The sidewalk all the way on is gone. I don't know if these steps are going today or not. They sure ripped those out. Oh my gosh. I don't know what they're doing now. Alright, so they've gone home for the day, and I'm around the front of the house and we're gonna see what everything looks like. Oh my goodness. The entire driveway is gone. Oh my goodness. All of this concrete is gone. The gate. Oh my goodness. This whole space, it honestly looks quite small. Like, it looks longer than I thought, but I think that's just because the driveway's gone. But the gate you can kind of see was like right here. So this is where about the garage started. But it doesn't look like that much space, honestly. I don't know. But yeah, all this concrete here is taken out as well. And yeah, oh my goodness. And then as well, this stuff here, tomorrow, those are getting jackhammered. And oh my goodness, I think they're digging up the grass to find different lines and stuff tomorrow. And oh my. But yeah. We are still deciding what to do with this bush. But that's about the only thing that's left back here. Wow. Oh, it kind of looks bigger back here. I don't know, because the garage is probably gonna start there. And yeah, it's gone. Oh my goodness. Lord. They're gonna jackhammer this. It's gonna be so loud, I'm scared. Oh my gosh! They do be jackhammering it. Oh my god. That is gonna take so long. Damn it. Oh my god. It's gone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Crazy. Here's a view from across the way. Crazy. It looks like quite a big space. Alright. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I'm not really sure what the next ones will look like. Probably when the walls go up, foundation is laid. I don't know, they have to do some things with the water lines and electrical lines. I don't know. Alright, hey guys, so I'm editing. That last little bit was very windy, and so basically what I was saying is I'm not sure what the next videos will be. Just kind of gonna see what they're doing each week. Maybe I'll try and aim for a new video every week, depending on how much progress is getting done. And yeah, I think that's it for this video. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.